of the very many things I love about being Muslim is that we can have our foundation in our Islamic knowledge and see other things, such as this book, The Weirdest People in the World, which is basically like a calling card or an advertisement for, how West is best because it just got rid of all these horrible things like, religion and traditional families and things like that. Um, to me, I'm looking at this through an Islamic lens and I'm finding all the information I need, all the statistics, all the science. He built this humongous book, which is, I don't know, 1,000 pages, at least 1,000 pages long. No, we're looking at, okay, about 600. Um, he built this book to educate other atheists and other people who think West is best, and give them some proof to that. But to me, I'm looking at this research and I'm reading this and I'm thinking about this in the lens of Islam and Muslims, and considering all the Aboriginal cultures and all the indigenous people and all the patterns in how the Western world has messed things up.